Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, in a country where crime and violence is a situation where the entire country is fed up with, but very few are willing to say anything or do something, Andre Stevens has speak out about what MCA take place on the island. And as some have stated, help to either expose or indirectly bring criminals to justice. Now, Andre Stevens responded to being warned while on live discussing a murder case. I'm not going to hear him say they will continue the reason. You can listen.
To be a better place. How many of you can say that? How many of you are willing to make that sacrifice by sitting in your yard each night to bring a story to light? How many of you willing to take the risk? How many of you willing to be the 3 Hebrew boy who, no matter what, never made a compromise? So before you come and tell me to shut up and end story, encourage me. Call me and say, Andre, press on. Send an encouraging message and say, teacher, press on. Me know the time's rough. Me know the time's hard, but press on.
Yes, Andre Stevens says he's standing up for justice and he refuses to either be told to stop or persuaded to stop. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. These individuals, because I'm just a person upon the live. Based on that interaction, many have speculated that whole heap of other people probably try to tell him, so, you know, don't do that because of that, stop do that because of that. Do you think these individuals have Stevens' best interests in mind? Or are they going to try to get him to stop the work with him? To stop talking about certain matters over the year? What is well documented is that crimes that get headline media attention and it's focused on by social media are made a priority by law enforcement. Every crime, however, is a priority by law enforcement. And that's something them say on numerous occasions. But tell me what you think. Now, on to the other stories making headlines today. Now, someone said Jackie got definitely laugh when him hear this. Now, before Jackie was sentenced in the Netherlands, there was a confrontation between POCAAN and Jackie at his apartment. And it is alleged that it was over this same ex-girlfriend that is now exposing POCAAN. Now, of course, when we couldn't hear a POCAAN ex-girlfriend have to say about POCAAN's new relationship, previous relationship, and overlapping relationships. When we couldn't hear what go on, they will continue the reason. Look and listen.
More than me because she have pretty hair and she brown. She is mixed. So of course she prettier than me. Me not surprised that she prettier than me too. Uno because Uno don't like black people. Jamaican people are the most colorist people on the planet. Uno don't like black people. So why is it that Uno feel like some I go feel some kind of way that Uno say I'm a bad mind the girl? I never call the girl name. I don't know her. I do not know her. Me and this man have going time in been places with her, so why the more than come and just what is there to really bad mind? I've been in the picture for years. I don't have no reason to bad mind her. It's not the first but talk about him on the internet. It's not the first. And if after that him take me back, so what do you realize say? Cause me don't understand. Me bad mind Toni because she prettier than me. I know why she prettier than me because she's light skinned, she's prettier, whatever it is. I don't have no reason to bad mind her. I have no reason for bad mind her. And if me and a girl take the same, she's not more than me. If a girl take the same like me, she's not more than me. Even though I still think that is fake. It's just a publicity stunt. That is what I think. Yeah. I talk about man and start me, come talk about girl prettier than me. Girl prettier than me and girl nicer than me and she my bad mind. Who the f*** you think you is? You know blood clot me? Eh? Come talk about say, me bad mind woman because she prettier than me. You think my friend for looks? You don't hear me telling about looks all the time. Eh? Me not friend for looks, and me for bad mind a girl for how she look. You think say her looks bring me when me there right now? I know looks bring me here so. Cause enough of unu pretty and enough of unu have nothing at all. Unu have germs. All crowbait. Unu don't have nothing. All the man them do have and dash no. Nobody come talk to me about no looks and bad mind of woman me don't know. When I talk about the other one them besides she, cause enough more there. So why make a she alone you bring up? And not she alone there. And what if I win at the blood clot ball field? So what you talk about Toni? Like on a blood clot about 20 away. We not talk about everybody else. You want me to call out some name for you? Eh? The problem with Uni is don't like make black man take accountability. I mean notice it. And that's why I distance myself and stay by myself. You understand? Or do we allow them to do the most to woman, to black woman? And then try to put all sort of excuse. Me don't want nobody start me and taunt me that my blood say. Me don't want nobody taunt me over my I don't want nobody torment me. Me done. Release me from the shackles and finish. No Toni and about bad mind Toni and. Like me a Toni and. Me a Toni and. Whenever see me come and me a Toni and. Look how much girl in the midfield and no come talk. We don't come talk about no more, but you see, we don't know bigger than you because we don't know a lot of things. You see? We do not know a lot of things. But at this point, I don't want nobody no loyalty and no respect, so I go chat out of my mouth. Because I don't feel like say such but a decent person. Oh, prettier. Someone who hate to no blood self. Who no hate to no self, who no put up certain woman up on a higher place than who no and put down on herself. I now put down myself in nobody. Go ahead. Right. Me a hot girl too. I'm a pretty too in my own plan way. And me look good when time me put on my clothes. Me look good and me smell good. And me make money too. And me travel too. And man want me to the kids you know. Right. Well, somebody said Toni and light skin. Toni and have a phenotype that is not a black woman. So of course, you're not going to tell me say, my bad mind her for her looks and she prettier than me and me never come for you and say nothing about this woman. As a matter of fact, I actually like her. She's very pretty and she can sing. But me not like the drunken man. And you don't come and come call up the woman name. Leave the girl alone. Leave her alone. You not compare looks and I talk about how the girl prettier than me and this and that. I talk something telling you, if me and a woman are the same man, she's not more than me. I tell you, even if the man used to or whatever it is, she is not more than me.
Now, Mama say, when you play with a woman's emotion, tell her say about one thing, you're actually not about it. Of course, women being emotional, I go vent. And she said that's what she do right now. She a vent. And you know the media work. When women go online and vent live and then start reading the comments, man or woman, anybody, once you talk about a certain situation, especially when it's personal, and people kind of have bits and pieces of the information, and you read the comment section and them are settings. This is the normally way. You normally have a situation where somebody says something where, you know, or say some things where, them probably never even go live for necessarily talk about that. But that's how it lead to. And that actually people want to hear about. And POCAAN being a dancehall star, of course, one of the aspects of being a star is that sometimes your personal life becomes public information, public topics of discussion. And as an entertainer, a celebrity, a star overall, fans, supporters, even people who support you, just want in your business. Them just want to know what's going on with you. And that is a situation they come with. Fame and stardom. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Now, onto the reason again, of course, live, love, and prosper. And stay tuned.